Hello, Andrew.
Hi.
My name is Caroline, and I'll be your therapist today.
All right.
And today I'd like to administer an assessment on you, and it's called the Developmental Test of Visual Perception.
Okay.
Okay? Now, Andrew, I want you to confirm your age for me, please. How old are you?
I'm 16.
You're 16 years old. Good. So we will begin. The subtest I'll be administering to you is called a figure ground, and you will be required to recognize and differentiate objects from a given background. Look at this page. See the picture at the top of the page and the long box with the shapes in it at the bottom of the page?
Okay.
I want you to show me which of these shapes down here are part of the picture at the top of the page.
Okay. So we have this one, D. That's and A, the moon.
Okay, let's try another one.
All right.
I want you to show me which one of the shapes at the bottom of the page are part of the picture at the top of the page.
Okay. So we have E, the oval, and B, the box.
Okay.
All right. We have B for the box, G for the circle, and F for the moon. Okay, so first of all we have D for the oval. Well, there's this shape of J right here, but it's not shaded, so I don't know if it counts. This one also E, it might be right. Yeah, I think so. It's not as shaded as this right here, but it looks the same. Well, here's the Star Trek symbol, A. Can we look at the answers? Oh, okay. All right, so Andrew, on this next subtest, subtest 3, we're going to be checking also your ability to differentiate objects and recognize them between the background, but also your ability to coordinate from each object and in session. So what I want you to do is I want you to draw a line through the numbered circles in order. That is, draw a line from 1, 2, 3, and so on. You can draw through the circles and continue drawing until you reach the circle marked end. Try not to touch any circle without numbers, and do it as fast as you can without making any mistakes. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. You can pick up your pencil. All right. And go. Okay. All right. So now we can go on from here. Okay, so just the same idea, just a few more things to do, and that's so what I want you to do is do the same way you did for the example, but you'll start from here, and then you'll go in session each number from all the way till the end mark, and don't go through any circle that doesn't have a marking in it, and go in session. Does that make sense?
Okay.
All right. So I want you to go as fast as you can, and when I tell you to, I would like you to begin. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You can start now. So I want you to continue to maintain on that side and go from here to here.
Okay.
No, go back. Go back. So only go to circles that have numbers. So you go from here to here.
Okay.
Try to avoid those circles without numbers. All right.
Amount of time? It's 3 minutes.
Yeah. Now we're going on to test number 4, visual closure, which you will be identifying the dominant features of shapes and figures as other features of it change, as in the size, shapes, and textures and other things like that. So what I want you to do is look at this page. You see the box at the top and then the 3 boxes below. So look at the picture at the top, and now look at the pictures down here. And someone did not finish drawing these pictures, as you can see. Try to imagine what they would look like if they were finished. If they were finished, which one of these drawings would you look at, would look like this drawing on top?
B.
B? All right. So now we're going to go to the second example. Let's try another one. Which one of these drawings would look like which one of these drawings would look like the drawing on top?
C.
Okay. So I'm going to turn this in. We'll try another, and we will start the test. Which one of these drawings looks like the drawing on top?
C.
Okay. And again?
A.
Okay.
A.
Okay, so now here we have this next test. I want to see how fast you can make different marks inside these shapes. So look here at the top, these shapes, see the 2 lines drawn inside the big circle, and then and the X inside this small square. So nothing is drawn in either the big square or the little circle. So take your pencil and mark 2 lines in the big circle down here. And also place a little X inside the little square. And try to keep your marks inside the shapes, which you did. Alright, so now okay, so now look at example B. This time, what I want you to do is the same thing, but do it as fast as you can, and try to keep your marks inside the shapes. The same thing. All right. So, turn this page. Now, as I turn this page, you are going to see the same shapes and the same marks inside these. Wait until I say go, and then you will mark as many marks as you can within the time that I give you, okay? And remember, also, to mark the big circles with the 2 lines and the small squares with the X's. Try to keep your marks inside of the shapes and go as fast as you can. I'm going to give you 1 minute and then I will say stop. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go. All right. Go.
Hello again, Andrew. In this subtest, we will be identifying the features of an object when the size, shading, texture, and the position changes.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to start with this first example. Look at the page in front of you. You will see 1 shape at the top of the page
Okay.
and 3 other shapes below it. Find the shapes down here that are like the shape up here. The shapes that you're looking for down here might be bigger, smaller, darker, or lighter than the shape at the top. They might be turned on their sides or upside down. 2 of each shape are hiding down here. Which of the shapes at the bottom are like the shape at the top?
Well, they're not very good at hiding, but A and C.
Okay, let's try another one. Which of the shapes at the bottom are like the shape at the top?
Well, I'm gonna go with A and B.
Let's try another one. Which of the shapes at the bottom are like the shape at the top?
Well, D calls out to me, and F calls out to me. Looks like a stick figure man with no head, yoga position. Okay. I'm going to go with B. And F. Squiggly man. Okay, there's C. And squiggly man's hiding somewhere else. I'll go with F. Can't completely tell.